This video is sponsored by Midea Robot Vacuums. Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Today we're talking about the Midea S8 Plus, a smart robot vacuum with 4 cleaning modes, self-emptying dustbin, and other cool features. It looks like a great choice for those with a busy lifestyle, but does it live up to the claims? Let's go ahead and find out now. The Midea S8 Plus can effortlessly wipe and vacuum surfaces up to 1,937 square feet or 190 square meters in one go. Featuring high-frequency vibration mopping, it leaves your floor sparkling clean. The robot can scrub tile and hardwood floor 500 times per minute when the mopping function is enabled. Its suction power is also impressive. Featuring 19,000 PA of suction power, this smart robot vacuum can pick up food crumbs, pet hair, mud, fine dust, and other debris. Plus, it comes with over 30 detection sensors that allow it to avoid obstacles and differentiate between carpets and floors. Additionally, users can choose from 4 cleaning modes, including auto cleaning, intensive cleaning, area cleaning, and zigzag cleaning. Users have the option to tell the robot to only vacuum a specific room. Simply use the M Smart Life app to select the cleaning mode and choose between mopping and vacuuming. There is also an option to enable both functions at once. The Midea S8 Plus has a sleek design with a black finish and clean lines. It measures 15.7 inches by 19.4 inches by 19 inches, so it's compact enough to squeeze into small spaces. One of its key features is the automatic dust collection station, which can hold up to 30 days worth of debris. This eliminates the need to empty the dustbin after each use. The docking station dust bag has a capacity of 2.5 liters and can be used over and over again. You'll also receive in-app notifications when the dustbin is full. The self-empty dustbin features a charging base at the bottom. As you would expect, the robot returns to the charging dock on its own when it's done cleaning or when the battery is running low. The docking station unit measures 17.8 inches by 17.3 inches by 11.5 inches and has an LED display. Now let's take a closer look at the S8 Plus. On the top side, there's a home/dock button and a power button. The front side features a water tank with a capacity of 200 milliliters or 6.7 fluid ounces. This allows it to mop up to 1,937 square feet or 180 square meters at a time. Its underside has several components, including a roller brush, 2 side brushes, 2 dust collection ports, and a mopping module. There's also an omnidirectional wheel and 2 large directional wheels. The dust collection ports suck up debris and then move it into the dustbin. The V-shaped rolling brush is designed to easily pick up pet hair and other debris. Its dual-sided design ensures a thorough cleaning, while the anti-hair wrapping keeps the brush roll cleaner for longer. The built-in dust box can hold up to 450 milliliters or 15.2 fluid ounces of debris. The mopping function is equally impressive. Midea designed a mopping system that imitates manual wiping, vibrating up to 500 times per minute. This wet and dry robot vacuum comes with a multi-purpose charging station, roller brush, dust bag, and HEPA filters. LDS LIDAR laser navigation is pretty standard on modern robot vacuums, so it's no surprise to see this feature on the S8 Plus. It boasts 30 upgraded sensors for fully automated cleaning, as well as an intuitive carpet detection system. Moreover, this smart robot vac uses the latest LDS navigation system to scan the entire house. Thanks to this technology, it's unlikely to miss any areas or return to the same spot. On top of that, the S8 Plus can create and save multi-floor maps. After you connect to the M Smart Life app, it maps out the rooms in your home and generates a smart cleaning path. Plus, you may use the app to set up virtual walls or send the Midea S8 Plus to specific areas that require cleaning. For example, you can tell it to mop and vacuum your kitchen as soon as you're done eating. While you can fully control the S8 Plus via the app, there's also the option to use it along with Alexa or Google Assistant. The robot will connect to your home assistant or the M Smart Life app via Wi-Fi. Another notable feature is the 4,000 PA brushless DC motor, which uses less energy than a traditional motor. This system features fixed coils instead of brushes, which ensures maximum efficiency and rotational force. Additionally, it delivers the desired rotation speed and torque precisely, which in turn may extend the battery life and reduce power consumption. The noise level will be lower too. On top of that, brushless DC motors tend to last longer than their brushed counterparts. Speaking of batteries, the Midea S8 Plus comes with a large 5200 mAh battery that allows it to run for about 180 minutes on a single charge. That's more than enough for most homes and apartments. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel and it's totally free. Like other robot vacuums, the S8 Plus is designed with convenience in mind. Users will need to empty the dustbin once a month or so, depending on how often you use the robot. The filter and water tank will also need to be cleaned as needed. The roller brush doesn't have a self-cleaning function like other robot vacuums do, but it's still fairly easy to maintain. Its design combined with the anti-hair wrapping makes cleaning easier. Rinse it with cold water and let it dry after each use or whenever is necessary. As discussed earlier, the Midea S8 Plus can be controlled via the M-Smart Life app, Alexa, or Google Assistant for a hands-free cleaning experience. The app is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to set restricted zones, switch cleaning modes, check the battery status, plan routes, and more. Users can also enable the in-app notifications to see when the dustbin is full or when the battery needs to be charged. Before we wrap up, let's check the noise level for the Midea S8 Plus. Here's what it sounds like in its various modes. According to the Midea, the S8 Plus is a noise level of 67 decibels while cleaning. Now, let's hear some of the voice interactions.
Starting dust collection.
So, should you buy the Midea S8 Plus? The S8 Plus is powerful enough to clean large areas and run for up to 3 hours on a single charge. This makes it a good choice for those living in large homes or apartments. In addition, this wet and dry robot vacuum has some really cool features that could save you time and effort. Featuring 4 cleaning modes, carpet detection, and advanced LDS navigation, it takes the stress out of cleaning. Plus, its battery lasts significantly longer than many other models at this price range. The self-emptying system is a welcome addition too. Thanks to this feature, the robot vacuum will keep your home clean without you ever needing to lift a finger. Simply set the cleaning schedule on the app and let the robot do its job. I would also recommend the S8 Plus to those looking for a robot vacuum with strong suction. This model features 19,000 PA of suction power, which is significantly higher than the average robot vacuum cleaner. As a result, it can pick up a variety of debris types, from mud and kitty litter to breadcrumbs and rice. All in all, the Midea S8 Plus is a great choice due to its high suction power, long battery life, and navigational capabilities. Its compact design and smart features are hard to beat. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments and questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the Midea, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to visit our website at moderncastle.com, get subscribed, ring that bell, and check back for future videos. As always, thank you so much for watching.